Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Have you guys ever wondered what would happen if these common things of life never existed? Then what will life would be? In this video, I am going to answer one of these questions. What would happen if religion doesn't exist? Powerful and ultra popular people will rule the world, and some people will obey everything they say. Some devoted followers would even pray for them like they pray for their God. And they would also ready to fight for them like today people fight for their religion. Secondly, there would be no such issue of veg and non-veg, as Hindus are prohibited from eating non-veg. It will all depend upon the development of agriculture of that area. This thing will also depend upon climate because farming depends upon climate of that particular area. More the agriculture is developed, more people would be veg. Less the agriculture is developed, more people would be non-veg. There would be more technological advancement than today because religion always poked its nose in scientific development. Let me explain this point by giving you the example of Islam. The period between 8th and 14th century is known as the golden age of Islam because there were many scientific discoveries and inventions, including invention of first toothbrush and first windmill. Algebra, one of the most important branch of mathematics, was developed in that period by Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi. In fact, the word algebra comes from the Arabic word al-jabr. However, this golden era ended with the defeat of Caliphate Abbasid due to Mongol invasion. But after that, Islam became radical, and due to the influence of some philosophers, its people started placing religion over science. Its people became so devoted in their religion that they would say this fire is caused by the desire of Allah or God. As a result, only 3 Nobel Prizes in science are awarded to Muslims till now. Out of 1.8 billion people they are. This proves that religion acts as a barrier in scientific development. So guys, that's it for today. Comment down the point that you think would happen if religion doesn't exist. Bye bye.